Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Creative Card Carousel and add it to a Funnelish website. Let's get started. The Creative Card Carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Funnelish editor. Please note, the widget's content will not show on the Funnelish editor and will only show on the preview and on the published site. In the Funnelish editor, click on the Add New Element button at the top left of the screen. And find and select the Custom HTML element from the list. Drag the Custom HTML element and place it on your page wherever you wish the widget will show. Click on the new element you've added to the page. And click the Edit Custom HTML button on the left panel. Now, in the Custom HTML window, simply paste the code you've copied before. Click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the HTML window. And click the Save button at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And that's it. Now, the Creative Card Carousel will show on your website.